Alright, where are we going today?
We are heading over to Texas Droptine Outfitters. We're going to take the mega roller today. We're going to cut out, I think they have some 20-inch pipe that we're going to cut, and we're going to cut some words or something. I'm not real sure. When we get there, we'll figure it out, and then we're going to design it on the spot and cut it. So we got a little crew going out today. We're taking the flatbed. We got it loaded up. Look at these letters just cut out. Unpainted. Oh, look at these freaking signs. Really? Walking in here and seeing this is already a shocker. I mean, the sheer quantity of things and stuff that's cut out is wild. You showed me that deer that you did too. That deer was awesome. That had like all the branches making up the bayou. That was super cool. I got the tablet charging over there too. I'm hoping it's the right tablet, but I brought my computer. So this is one of the tubes that we're going to be cutting, or pipes, but it's actually a piece of flat steel that's been welded together. So if you're looking down on it, can you look straight down on top of it and see it's not perfectly cylindrical? It's definitely going to need the torch height controller to maintain that same distance going all the way around it.
How do you feel about this?
It's awesome.
It's awesome?
Yeah.
You ready for this? You ready to see it cut?
My first time live
Live?
seeing it.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty entertaining to watch it go around and cut. It's pretty awesome.